So hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I came with one of the very important opportunity, and there are some important permanent job as well as internship. So one of my viewer commented that please come with some of the important internships. So now I came with important internship as well as some full-time or FTE role. So first important, that is for the role of machine learning internship, and job location is Thane. So we'll join this company as an intern, and this is a good company. You can apply for this. So what is the job description? So you will just work on machine learning and intern. So if you have interest in machine learning, because you know this is the era of AML, AI and ML. So if you are residing near to these locations, then I suggest everyone should apply. So requirement is working toward a bachelor's or master degree in CS or computer engineering related field, passion solving real world problem, and knowledge of Hadoop, Hive, Redshift or other big data tool. This is means this will basically give advantage to your resume, your selection chances. Okay, and you should be proficient in Java or C++, means you should have strong fundamental knowledge in computer science. So if you are interested, you can just apply or you can refer your friend to. Next important opportunity, that is again a different opportunity from the Wipro, that is for the role of management training. So remember, I have already provided you update for the Wipro hiring, and that was a different role. Okay, means that was a kind of internship, but this is for the role of management training. So what they are looking, so job location will be Karnataka, and purpose is to provide technical support to process and activity resolve client issue directly through the this. So this is a technical support job. So if you are interested, you can basically apply for this. So this will be work from office only, and desired candidate should have knowledge of syndicated bank loan or private credit. Means you should have banking knowledge and all those things. Beside that, MS Excel, MS PowerPoint knowledge should be there. Means it is requirement. Next important from the Sparsa AI, and this is work from home important internship, that is for the role of full stack AI engineer intern. So eligibility freshers are eligible in 2026, 2027 can apply, and you can go through complete job link in the description. I will provide there. Next, this is a urgent hiring for the role of Salesforce freshers. So if you have done some internship and some knowledge on Salesforce, then you can just share your resume. This is a urgent based hiring, so make sure to share as soon as possible. Anytime that vacancy may be filled. Okay, and payout will be 10,000 per month. Open position is 2. So this is a remote internship, means you can do by working, means from the home, sitting at home. Next important opportunity from Nitroxentech. They are hiring the junior DevOps engineer, IoT and networking, Azure, Docker, Kubernetes, and for all these roles. So you will be basically joining this company as junior DevOps engineer, IoT and networking, and company is this, and this is location in Pune. So freshers are encouraged to apply, and if you have some knowledge in all those skills, then this is a good opportunity. So BE, BTech, MCA, MSc, diploma in computer science or IT or electronics, they can apply. Means easy students can also apply. Friends, if you have been selected for any interview and want to schedule mock interview with us, then you can basically fill our form. We'll provide you dedicated guidance and feedback. This will basically boost your confidence. We have already provided lots of selection in TCS, Cognizant, and other companies. So if you're interested, you can fill. Next important, and this is also a internship. They are looking for the role of software engineer intern, and you will basically work on backend system, AI workflow, building AI and product experience. So this is a kind of startup, and this is a good hiring. I will suggest just share your resume to them. Okay. And second last important internship positions from the eBay. They are hiring for the role of eBay IEA intern. So opportunity, and you will be, these will be your responsibility. Will understand the relevant business problem and design creative, maintain, develop positive productivity, and you can go through complete this. So who are eligible? Final year of bachelor's or equivalent degree in CS are eligible. Means 2026 can apply, and this is the best opportunity. I suggest everyone you should apply. Okay. And last important opportunity, this is also a paid internship. Job location is Pune. 21-25 or early pass outs are eligible. So they are looking, or you will work on machine learning and NLP project and generative AI and all those stuff. So if you're interested, you can just apply now by clicking here the link. Friend, I regularly post lots of important job updates on my YouTube channel, so you can subscribe us. Currently, TCS NQT hiring is going on, and we have already provided you the tips and hacks and coding series video and free presentation material and all those stuff. I've already shared in WhatsApp Telegram group. So if you are interested, you can join that group and make sure to keep applying for off-campus hiring. Okay. So I hope informative to you. If you still have any query, feel free to ask or comment here. I feel very happy to help you. मिलते हैं next video में. Thank you.